Is it recording sound? That is the question. Hey there everyone, it's AJ Van Rixel and it is time for another video. And in today's video, it is time that I, after 5 years, decommission my laptop for my creative and gaming work. I've done many different things with my laptop. I've created so many novels with it, and I've created so much like my art and my book covers and things like that with her, and I've played quite a number of games on her as well, and it's now coming to the end of her life, and unfortunately you can't upgrade laptops. If you could upgrade her, I would totally do it, but I'm going to have to get her replaced, and I already have her replacement, which I will unveil in this video. It will also mean that there will be bigger things for my channel. I'll be able to do much more because my laptop and my computer space will be able to cope with that extra work. Just to let you know a bit about my sentiment to various things, I still have the, if I can find it, I still have the mouse that I wrote my first ever novel with, A Collision of Worlds. It's finally gave up the ghost a few years ago, and I've used different mouses. I'd have loved to have bought another one like this. It was a HP one, but unfortunately they stopped selling these mice now. I did originally buy and managed to buy another one, but I accidentally dropped it in my tea. Yeah. So, without further ado, I will just quickly do a little sort of panoramic view of my laptop to show you what I had been working on for the past 5 years. So I figured I would do a nice panoramic sort of shot of my new little setup. I'm on a dining room table. Oh, you can see me in the screen there. I'm going to be changing the mouse and keyboard to a pair of wired ones. I've already got the wired mouse, but I need to let that charge. And here it is. The beast, taking up a good lot of my desk. This will be the forefront of AJ Creation Studios. A powerhouse that will allow me to do pretty much everything I want to be able to do. I'll quickly do a scan of the area around. So there's my little camera and microphone setup. I've got some shelves with a load of stuff up there. Got my speakers for my computer, and I've got my filing with my printer. It's a bit messy, I need to sort that out, but yeah, I'm really happy with this. And I just want to thank Kian, who is my manager's son, for providing me with a list of components that I need to buy, and also doing all of the setup. I believe it took him about 6 hours to do, sorry. And there may have been a few swear words involved, but it's here. And I couldn't be happier. I've had a few sleepless nights in anticipation. This is kind of like a sort of little brief update video. I'll probably do another video at the end of the week just to say how it's going and also do some art. So until next time, hold it. that I had this big plan, and I can't believe that I have actually literally just forgotten to do it. Oh yes. Look at that bad boy in there. I am one happy person. So until next time, ta-ra. But yes, I am so happy that I'm about to sneeze. So